Hello folks, Chad Rogers here, taking you through a brand new 2026 Bennington. This is a new 25 QX, all fiberglass sides, beautiful, beautiful boat. This is the 25 QXFBA, so it's the fastback with the arch, powered by a Yamaha 300. Elliptical tune package, ESP, 0.125 on the thickness of the tunes. Beautiful blue. It's got the silver accent stripe, the gold Bennington emblems. Cladded arch with the power option. We'll climb up in here and take a walk through. Lily pad ladder. This has the new pods back here where you can sit back here if you need to put a ski on, get in the tube, dry off. Speakers on the back. Beautiful dash. Got the new Vivid screen up top. Big Garmin GPS. All touch button for the options. Yamaha gear shift, wireless charger, cup holder, cup holder, cup holder, rated for 15 capacity. We do the mid-port bench exchange on this one, so instead of having a captain, co-captain, you get the little bench here. In-floor storage. Charging stations for your phone. Movable cup holders. For more information on this boat, you can reach us at 573-348-3888, or you can catch us on the web at www.kellysport.com. Happy shopping.